Hello dear subscribers, I'll tell you how you can fix this error so you can see action blocked on Instagram. This action was blocked, please try again later. We restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So you need to know that actually you just make too many actions at one time. So it can be liking or following too many people, commenting. So mostly it's just a temporary block. So you just need to wait some time. Sometimes it depends on the situation, but sometimes it can take for few hours, sometimes few days. It depends on the situation. But also Instagram will automatically unblock this for you. So also it can happen because you just use some websites or some apps for increasing your followers or likes, and Instagram just see it that some person use your Instagram account from another place, and you just log in into your account from your place, and Instagram thinks that someone just steal your password and login. So also you can try to change your device. So try to log in into this account from another device, or you can try to change your network. So if you receive this error when you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data, and if you receive this error on cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.